Welcome to the biology class. In this video, we are going to start the phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata includes animals with notochord or backbone. Chordata includes the familiar animals like fishes, frogs, snakes, rabbit, birds, human beings. This picture shows a typical structure of chordate. All the chordates have a common body pattern. This is the digestive system. It starts from mouth and ends in anus. In the digestive system next to the mouth there is pharynx. It has openings called as pharyngeal slits. Above the digestive system there is notochord. It is a rod-like structure. Above the notochord there is nerve cord. Nerve cord is the tubular structure. It develops into brain and spinal cord. Notochord is a supportive rod found above the digestive system. In lower chordates it is permanent. In higher chordate animals, the notochord gets changed into a bony backbone called as vertebral column. The first part of the nerve cord develops into brain, remaining part develops into spinal cord. Pharyngeal gill slits are openings on the pharynx which communicate to the exterior. In most of the chordates before the birth, the pharyngeal gill slits disappear. But in fishes, the pharyngeal gill slits are permanent. The gills are the respiratory organs. Notochord, nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits are the common characters of chordate animals. Phylum Chordata has two groups of animals. They are Prochordata. Prochordata animals have notochord. The notochord does not differentiate into the backbone. The second group of chordates, Vertebrata. Vertebrata has animals. They have vertebral column. Vertebral column is a bony backbone. Prochordata is divided into two subphyla. They are Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Uro means tail. In Urochordata, the notochord is found in the tail region of young ones. Adult individuals have no notochord. Cephalo refers to the head. In Cephalochordata, the notochord extends up to the head. Throughout the length of the animal, notochord is present. Since the notochord extends up to the head, the name is Cephalochordata. The group Vertebrata is divided into 6 classes. There are 6 classes in vertebrates. The first one is Cyclostomata. Second one, Pisces. Third, Amphibia. Fourth, Reptilia. Fifth, Aves. Last one, Mammalia. Cyclostomata, Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia are the 6 classes of vertebrates. Cyclostomata includes fish-like aquatic organisms. They have round mouth. Pisces includes all the fishes. Amphibia, frogs-like animals which can live both in water and on land. Reptilia includes crawling animals like crocodile, snake, turtle, lizards, etc. All the birds come under the group Aves. The class Mammalia includes mammals which give birth to young ones. The first class of vertebrata, Cyclostomata. Cyclos means round, stoma opening. They have round mouth. They are long animals. The animals have elongated body. They have round mouth. Cyclostomata animals are jawless. They have no jaw. They have round mouth, circular mouth. The body is elongated and eel-like. Eel is a long fish. Cyclostomata animals look like eel fish. The body is slimy and there is no scale on the body. You know what are scales? Scales are found on the surface of fishes. But these animals have slimy body. Body is not covered by scales. They are parasites on fishes. Ectoparasites are parasites which live on the body of other animals. Here cyclostoma animals live as ectoparasites of fishes. Pisces includes all the fishes. They are aquatic. They are poikilothermic vertebrates with jaw. Poikilothermic animals are called as cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals change their body temperature according to the changes in the surrounding. Their streamlined body is divisible into head, trunk and tail. The body divisions are head, trunk and tail. There is no head in between. There is no neck in between head and trunk. They move with the help of paired and median fins. This is median fin. Median fin arises at the middle. Paired fins are toes, one on the left side and the another on the right side. Fins are the locomotor organs of fishes. The body of fish are covered by scales. Scales are the body coverings. Gills involve in respiration. Fishes respire through gills. Their heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. Heart of fishes are two-chambered with one auricle and ventricle. There are two types of fishes. They are cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. Bony fishes have bony skeleton. Cartilaginous fishes have skeleton made up of cartilage. Shark and skate are the cartilaginous fishes. Mullet is the example for bony fishes. Amphibia includes animals which have double mode of life. Amphi means two, bios life. They are capable of living on land and in water. They are the first four-legged vertebrates. They are the first tetrapods. Tetrapods are animals which have four legs. The familiar amphibians are frogs and toads. This group includes lizard-like amphibians. They have legs. And snake-like amphibians are also there. They have dual adaptation. They live in water and on land. Their body is divided into head and trunk. There is no neck in between head and trunk. Amphibians respire by using gills in young form. The young one of amphibians are tadpoles. Tadpoles are fish-like forms. They use gills for respiration. But the adult frog respires using lungs. The air enters into the lungs. Skin also helps the respiration. Skin is moist. Respiration through buccopharynx also takes place. Bucco means mouth cavity, pharynx the airway in between lungs and mouth. In buccopharynx respiration, the air does not reach the lungs. Air reaches the pharynx through the mouth. The animal opens and closes the mouth repeatedly. That causes respiration. Frogs have three-chambered heart. There are two auricles and one ventricle. Frogs lay eggs in water. The eggs develop into an embryo. The young one coming out of egg is tadpole. Tadpole is a fish-like animal. The tadpole develops 2 legs and then 4 legs. The tail disappears. Finally, it becomes an adult frog. This process is called as metamorphosis. So, in this video, we have discussed about the first 3 classes of the phylum Chordata. In the next video, we will learn the last 3 classes of phylum Chordata.